Hi! In this video we're going to show you how to add a group admin on Skills Builder Benchmark. Before we get into the tutorial, please note that this is only relevant if you are set up as an organization admin. To check if you have this access, look for the My Admins tab on your admin dashboard. If you can't see this but should, please speak to your contact at Skills Builder. Bear in mind that group admins will be able to add learner groups, set assessment periods and collate learners' skills data. Therefore, group admins should be colleagues who work with individuals who will be using the tool to reflect on their essential skills, for example, mentors, coordinators or line managers. Okay, let's get started. Go to the admin dashboard and click on the My Admins tab. You will see a blue button in the top right corner, labeled Add New Admin. Click this and you will see a box appear. Fill in your colleague's name and email address, then click Add Admin. If you try to add someone who is already listed as an admin, you will see an error message. Otherwise, a green banner will appear in the top right corner to let you know you've been successful. Back on the dashboard, you should now see the new admin listed in the table. The colleague you have added will automatically get an email from Skills Builder to introduce them to the admin dashboard and its features. Keep track of how many group admin licenses you have left to allocate via the counter at the top. To unlock more licenses, speak to your Skills Builder contact. And that's how you add a group admin on Skills Builder Benchmark. To get started, go to skillsbuilder.org/benchmark.